Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where we explore interesting concepts in math and computer science. On this occasion, we will discuss something very interesting and essential in graph theory, which is the concept of dominance. Domination in graphs. Lecture Prof. Dr. Benny Pinontoan, MSc. My name is Lasdo Rentau Tasoid, and my name 22101106019. Introduction. History of domination in graph. Well, domination in graph was first formally defined by Birch in 1958. Graph theory was first introduced by Leonhard Euler, a Swiss mathematician in 1736 when solving the Königsberg bridge case. The Königsberg bridge problem is whether or not it is possible to cross each of the 7 bridges in the city of Königsberg exactly once and return to the original place. Graph theory is an age-old subject that has many applications today. Graphs are used to represent discrete objects and the relationships between them. Graph theory is one of the tools that is widely used to describe a problem so that it can be easier to understand. Understand and solve. A graph G equals VG, EG consists of two finite sets, namely VG is the set of vertices or vertices, usually denoted by V only, which is a non-empty set of vertices, and EZ is the set of edges usually denoted by E only, which is possibly empty, set of edges connecting a pair of vertices. Here we go. Basic definition. One of the concepts studied in graph theory is the dominant set. A dominant set is a set of points D, V in a graph G equals VE, VA, that has the condition that every point V element VD is neighbor to at least one point in D. Dominance number YG is the minimum cardinality of a dominant set of G. The study of dominant sets began in the 19th century. Next, literature review. Domination set. We now introduce the concept of dominating sets in graph. A set S V of vertex in a graph G equals VA is a dominating set if every vertex V element V is an element of S or adjacent to an element of C. Alternatively, we can say that SV is a dominating set of G if Ns equals Vg. Domination set variation of domination problem. First, connected domination. A graph G is defined as a pair of vertex set Vg and its set Ag, where Vg is a non-empty set of vertices and Ag is the set of edges connecting a pair of vertices. Connected domination. The set of domination must form a connected subgraph. Independent domination. The vertices in the domination set must be non-neighboring. Weight dominance. Each vertex has a certain weight, and the goal is to minimize the total weight of the domination set. And first, NB algorithm for minimum dominance. First, greedy algorithm. Greedy algorithm is the most popular method to achieve optimal performance. 2. AND algorithm. The AND algorithm is an algorithm adapted from the behavior of one of AND's colonies. 3. Genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm can solve scheduling with different constraints. 4. Local search algorithm. Local search algorithm is a method to find the best solution around the current state. And I can explain is a algorithm for minimum domains. I said that before. And sorry for that. Applications. Domination in graph has application to several fields. Domination areas in facility location problem, where the number of facilities is fixed and one attempts to minimize the distance that a person needs to travel to get to the closest facility. A similar problem occurs when the maximum distance to a facility is fixed and one attempts to minimize the number of facilities necessary so that everyone is served. First, location radar stations problem. The problem was discussed by Bears. A number of strategic locations are to be kept under surveillance. The goal is to locate a radar for the surveillance at as few of these locations as possible. How a set of locations in which the radar stations are to be placed can be determined. 2. Facility location problem. The dominating sets in graph are natural models for facility location problem in operational research. 3. Modeling social networks. Dominating sets can be used in modeling social networks and studying the dynamics of relations among numerous individuals in different domains. A social network is a social structure made of individuals or groups of individuals which are connected by one or more specific types in interdependency. 4. Multiple domination problems. An important role is played by multiple domination. Multiple domination can be used to construct hierarchical overlay networks in peer-to-peer applications for more efficient index searching. And 5. School-bus routing. Most schools in the country provide school buses for transporting children to and from school. Most also operate under certain rules, one of which usually states that no child shall have to walk further than, say, 1/4 km to a bus pickup point. 6. Coding theory. The concept of domination is also applied in coding theory as discussed by the Caulfield, Stanton, and Horton, and Cocaine and Haddad-Niemi. If one defines a graph, the vertices of which are the n-dimensional vector with coordinates quotients from 1, P1, and two vertices are adjacent if they differ in one coordinate, then the sets of vectors which are NP covering sets. Single error correcting codes or perfect covering sets are all dominating sets of graph with determined addition properties. And next, discussion. In this section, we discuss the chromatic number of domination on the graphs resulting from the corona operation of path and circle, namely PM circle point circle dot PN PM circle dot CM circle dot PM and CM circle dot CN. Furthermore, KMM circle dot PN KMM circle dot CN, so that the general form of the chromatic dominance on the graph resulting from the corona operation of the GM with path and circle graphs. For example, chromatic domination trajectory with trajectory. Given trajectories P4 and P5, graph G2 equals P4. Circle dot P5 is the corona graph of trajectories P6 and P5. Then by using XD, our G2 equals 6 as shown. This is the figure, chromatic domination trajectory with trajectory. And 2, chromatic domination of path with circle. Given trajectory P3 and circle C4 is graph H1 equals P3. Circle dot C4 is the graph resulting from the corona operation of trajectory and circle, then by using xd, x1 equals 5 as shown in figure 2. And this is figure 2 chromatic domination of path with circles. And number 3, chromatic domination of circle with trajectories. Given a circle C4 and a path P3, if graph I1 equals C4, circle points P3 is the graph resulting from the corona operation of circle C4 and P3, then using it is found that XD I1 equals 6 as shown in figure 3. This is a figure 3 of chromatic domination of circle with trajectories. And number 4, chromatic domination of a circle with a circle. Given circle C5 and C4, if graph Z1 equals C5, circle dot C4 is the graph resulting from the corona operation of circle with circle. Then by using the explanation above, it is found that XD G1 equals 7 as shown in figure 4. And number 5, chromatic domination of complete graph with circle or circle. Given the complete graph Q4 and trajectory P3, if graph L1 equals Q4, circle dot P3 is the graph of the corona operation of the complete and circle graphs. Then using the explanation above, it is obtained that XD L1 equals 6 as shown in figure 5. This is figure 5 of chromatic domination of complete graphs with circle or circles. And I can explain that conclusions. In the paper, we have attempted to categorize domination concept into the same categories. For a non-trivial connected graph, G equals VE. If we use V for the set of vertices and E for the set of edges of G, then the domination concept is sound, and we will try to show types of domination we use while studying the domination theory in graph. The concept of domination number key G is also discussed. Domination in graph refers to finding a minimum set of vertices, known as a dominating set, such that every vertex in the graph is either in the dominating set of adjacent to at least one member of the dominating set. The problem of finding the minimum dominating set is an NP-complete problem, which means it's computationally difficult to solve for large graph. Therefore, a common approach is the use approximation algorithm to find solutions that are close to optimal. There are some special cases of graphs, such as trees, bipartite graphs, and certain classes of planar graphs, where the dimension problem can be solved efficiently. Additionally, there are variants of the domination problem, such as the connected dominating set and the total dominating set. The graph dominating problem has application in various fields, including facility location, computer networks, social network analytics, and coding theory, which is on graph dominating continues to evolve with new algorithm approximation techniques and emerging application. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your opportunity to watch my video. Bye.